Hey guys, today I'll teach you how you can create YouTube Shorts by using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. First, I'll go to ChatGPT and type a prompt here. I'll ask it to write codes on success. You can take screenshot of the prompt by pausing the video. Okay, so here are the codes. I'll simply copy these codes. I'll paste these codes in Excel sheet. Okay, so here are the codes. Now I'll go to InVideo and click on templates. I'll type here YouTube Shorts. Now you can select your template from here. I'll select the first one. Click on use template. From here you can edit the video. I'll double click on this box and type here success. Then I'll double click on this box and I'll copy the first part and I'll paste it in this box. Okay, I'll simply drag this to the end and this brings me the second text box. I'll again double click it. I'll copy the second part and I'll paste it here. Okay, so my YouTube Shorts is ready. This is how you can create your YouTube short by using AI. I hope you liked the video. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.